Guys, this is Marintec China 2025. We're going to see the exhibitors one by one. That one, you can see the logo. This one is ABB. It has the best location. It's pretty easy to reach here. ABB. Zemar. Very nice. Actually, now it's only 9:30. There's a lot of people already. This fair is being held every 2 years, which means the professionals normally cherish this chance very much. It's held every 2 years. It's going to be in Shanghai in 2027. DNV. Let's walk along the aisle, the chief passage. We are going to see the chief ones. I don't have too much time for everyone. Guys, if you're here, please give me a like. Your like matters so much, and it makes this video travels more. Especially those kind of professionals have been looking for this kind of videos, but they don't know this video. If your like happens here, more people can see it. Okay, I'm not going to read every logo. If you want to check the company, you just pause for a while and then you can find it. You can Google it. Dakim from Japan. Wow, this one is the pavilion of Denmark. That one. I'm going to show you. This one from Japan too. Denmark. I think so. Just now I saw the Danish flag. Guest country of honor, pavilion, Norway. That one's from Norway. Let's go check. Yeah, I try my best to cover everyone. Wow. The Norwegian pavilion is massive. This one is from Norway too. So which means Norway is a strong shipbuilding country. Class NK. This one is quite famous.
We also have a global network of service platforms ready to support the rest of the world.
Well, it's both pretty huge. What about that one? Look at the logo. Yeah, this one is from Norway too. A logo. How about this one? Sweden. Swedish pavilion. That one's from Sweden. Look at that logo. The color is very Swedish. From Holland, the Netherlands, NL. Korea, of course, it's South Korea. This one is from South Korea. The dimension is big. It's very massive. Look, it's a huge one. So, which means South Korea is very mighty at shipbuilding. Maritime technology. That one is from Hong Kong. DSR, that one is a little bit full. I don't want to go there. Look at that logo. Norway. Wow, this is a great fair. Superb. The logo. Every booth's decoration is beautiful. So which means they've tried their best to create the design renderings, to try their best to set it up and to maintain it in order to guarantee the smooth operation of each booth. Freshie, that one. Look at that logo, FRAMO. How about that one? Amazon. It sounds very familiar. It's a big one. Amazon. DESMI. ABB. We can see that again. What about that one? Guys, this is superb. Extraordinary. Brilliant. This is the first day of showing. If you've got a chance, you can come here. I just I've checked the cheap ones. I made an exact circle. Let's go to that way, and we can see more. Yeah, I want to keep this video around at 10 minutes. Guys, your support means a lot. If you're here, please give me a like. And even you can subscribe to my channel, and you can get more videos of trade fairs, especially in China. The trade shows happening in China, Singapore, Hong Kong, Taipei, etc. in Asia. Okay, let's look at this one. Wow, some VIPs are coming. If you are a professional one, I think it interests you very much. It's very captivating. Yeah, you can see your competitors. You can see your customers. You can see your suppliers. Absolutely great. What about this one from Thailand? I think. Yeah, this pavilion is a Taiwan. Yeah, I think it's from Thailand. Look at that logo. Yeah, I just try my best to show you the logo, display you the logo, and then you can find it easily. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. I'll see you later, everyone. Ciao, ciao. Bye-bye, everyone.
Formally provides